What Allahabadia lost due to latent row. YouTuber finally replies. Allahabadia interacts with fans? Months after Allahabadia's remarks sparked outrage, YouTuber opens up about latent row. Says lost money, reputation, mental health after controversy. YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia has endured turbulent few months, grappling with the fallout from the India's Got Latent controversy. YouTuber revealed that the impact of this situation has been profound, affecting him emotionally, financially, and professionally. According to Allahabadia, the weight of his actions has not only disappointed his parents but has also let down his team. In an Instagram question and answer session, Allahabadia responded to a fan who asked what he had lost because of the incident. In response, Allahabadia said he lost health, money, opportunity, repute and mental health. The YouTuber further went on to say that the controversy transformed him, helping in spiritual growth and toughness. He further went on to add that he will slowly work toward getting back everything that's lost. When another follower asked Allahabadia what was his most fearful thought in the last 2 months, he replied that he let down the families of his team members because of his mistake, adding that people don't understand how many jobs are at stake. Allahabadia further added that people quickly wrote off his career and hence the careers of 300+ people that work for him. When another follower asked if Allahabadia was in touch with Samay Raina post-controversy, he replied saying, Samay will be back, adding that all of them have gotten closer after the events and stand by each other in good times as well as in bad times. Allahabadia further added that Samay is already a media legend and the story isn't over yet. Remember, earlier in the year, as public anger mounted, Samay Raina took down all episodes of India's Got Latent from his YouTube channel and assured full cooperation with authorities. He and Allahabadia on 15th April appeared before Maharashtra Cyber for questioning related to charges of obscenity under the IT Act and IPC. Remember, an FIR was filed against Allahabadia, comedian Samay Raina, YouTuber Ashish Chanchalani, influencer Apurva Mukhija, and Jaspreet Singh after a segment from the now-deleted YouTube show India's Got Latent went viral. It showed Allahabadia asking a sexually explicit question involving parents. The incident sparked public outrage, leading to multiple FIRs and investigations by Maharashtra and Assam police, with the National Human Rights Commission flagging it as harmful to minors.